What we're doing today is we're actually going into the field to understand how the work that we are doing is going to have an impact on the ecosystem for years to come.
So our boat is sinking. Update, the boat is deflooded. We're back. We're back on the water. Back in business.
We realize that all tree species are important, and especially mangroves. So with this knowledge and the plight or communities that are living around water bodies, that are living around forests, who depend on the forest for their livelihoods, we came to a point where it hit us that we needed to do more.
We got drone this right now.
So we are planting because we want to restore. We want to restore the original, back to the original ecosystem. We're trying to reestablish that the entire ecosystem can be brought back.
Tree planting, reforestation, and ensuring that you enhance tree cover over the terrestrial land, and also ensuring that the oceans are stable through mangrove restoration and rehabilitation. Those are some of the key innovations that can actually bring a difference. And that is why we're here today.
Here's the acoustic sensor, and it's been recording plane sounds, and we're coming back to check on the that's gonna be weird.
One, two, three, four, to determine the age.
As in what, months?
Months, yes.
You dip in the water?
Should be able to, right?
Should, yeah.
Bye-bye.